boat. This is the one. This is the one. What are you doing? I think this is recording. This is a lot of boats. Like, the size of this cockpit is huge.
Didn't we see the engine under the bed of the Leopard's previous models?
Yes, we did.
Why change it when it would be safer to work on it inside the boat because of waves, weather, dropping stuff into the ocean?
Well, the noise, smell, fire, space, grease. There's lots of reasons. That's access to the helm. It's
Yeah.
nice. Easy access to the helm from the cockpit and a bag to stow the lines so you don't have to stuff them into a cubby. I really like the large nav screen, and the gauges are angled up to make them easier to read. The lines and winches are all handy to the helm. Everything runs back to the helm station to make it easier for single-handed sailing. Can you put your feet on the footrail now? No.
It sucks being 5 foot all.
One really big advantage over the 40 is these 4-peak storage areas.
I really like the soft on your feet trampoline. Continuing with the theme of short people problems.
A lot of space for someone.
This huge skylight gives you lots of light in the salon, and you can view the sails from inside the boat. It can also be shaded to keep the sun out. The 40 lease also doesn't have the big skylight in the salon.
Oh, right.
You look underneath the floorboards, you know, obviously here, underneath the floorboard, it's all gel coated all the way down, so it's
Yeah, I noticed that. It's not
easy
raw
to
fiberglass.
maintain.
We've noticed that on some cats, the fiberglass remains largely unfinished in behind cabinets and in service areas. None of the Leopards seem to have that issue. All the cat manufacturers tout their storage spaces, but my greater concern is ease of access. While cruising, you're in these spaces all the time. They need to be easy to get to, easy to use.
So this is your optional dishwasher, but if you are not ordering this, then your trash compartment is underneath here, and this becomes an additional cabinet.
Perfect. Can you order more refrigeration than that, or that's what you get?
The option is, oh, these are standard.
Yeah, and then there's the optional
The
fridge
one
in the
in,
cockpit.
yep, and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, seems to be something on the 15th.
Yeah.
Okay, so it says here. So it's old stock.
This one has too many cushions.
Lots of space for toiletries. Yay!
And the semi-dry shower.
Yeah.
That's what I'm referring to those. Again, look at the railing that you were talking about. All those other boats had no place to put your stuff in the shower. And this is not a semi-walk around or semi-island. The 40 has the semi-island. This doesn't.
It's a semi-island.
Next, we headed down into the owner's hall, expecting to be blown away by how much nicer it would be than the Leopard 40. We really liked the owner's hall in the 40. We ended up surprisingly disappointed. The 45 didn't have the open berth with the semi-walk-around bunk. The Leopard 45 has since been updated to a beautiful new wide-open owner's hall like the 40, which returns the 45 to top spot as our favorite Leopard cat. There's plenty of storage in the owner's hull in the form of drawers and hanging lockers. I didn't think much of the dual lifting desktops at the time, but I've since then thought of several uses for them. In my mind, they're already full.
Oh,
We both love the idea of having a washer-dryer on board. We think it's a huge bonus for a live-aboard lifestyle. Yeah, they don't have much capacity and they use a lot of water and power, but we like to be spoiled.
Ooh, sliding door.
The shower and vanity are roomy and bright. The shower is bigger than the one we have at home.
Y'all notice I'm solar powered?
I love the table setup in the salon. It's easy to maneuver with the edges of the table folded up, lots of room for seating, and it doesn't dominate the entire salon, giving it a much more spacious and open feeling. Speaking of spacious and open, here's the coup de grace for the Leopard 45. The forward cockpit delivers a beautiful seating area at the front of the boat where the breeze will be at anchor, and the coach roof extends to provide hardtop shade.
Jolie really would have got a kick out of that. Out of this.
With a breakfast table, cushioned seating, even more stowage, and room for lounge pads in the shade, this area will see a lot of use. Out here is nicer.
yeah.
And it's certainly much nicer than the Molly we were on.
Yeah, because of the coverage, you mean? That's a lot. Look at that.
Forward hatches. You got these giant lazarettes.
Can you open it?
I like.
Yeah, try.
Yeah, see how heavy it is.
Surprise! It wasn't heavy at all.
The forward lazarettes are big and roomy, and they open nice and wide for excellent access. The windlass and anchor, I think, will take a little getting used to being tucked away in a locker rather than hanging off the bow. It does keep the weight back toward the center of the boat, and it keeps the bow area clear, so there are some advantages too. I also really like that big beefy cleat for tying off the anchor.
And here's the little people perks, fitting in small spaces.
Apparently I lost my sunglasses. Right on the bow here of the 45. On the 45 I like the cockpit, the helm, the salon, but I like the cabins better on the 40, I think. I like the beds better.